Great offering of cattle, a favorable omen, auspicious to dine away from home. It
Hmm.
is favorable to ford the great river.
Yes, that means you can go abroad or cross the country or go to other places. Very good. In this, you read line number 3.
You give chase on the fine horse.
Hmm.
The omen of difficulty is favorable.
Hmm.
Cards and guard stand idle for a day. It is favorable to proceed with purpose.
Here, there is a hidden meaning. Your vehicle will be in the shed.
Okay.
Your driver will be idle.
Yes, sir.
You read that line, no? Carts and guards stand idle for a day.
Cards and guards stands idle for a day. It is
Hmm.
favorable to proceed with the purpose.
You can go, but on the way, whatever happens, your vehicles all will get fat.
Okay. Into any trouble.
There will be problem, and you have to bring your mechanic or take the vehicle to the garage.
Nice, sir.
So you have to plan accordingly. You cannot be too rude to say, I am not carrying stepney.
I cannot, sir.
You have
I've
to
been
slap.
experienced this. I've been experienced that thing.
You cannot be, very negligent, careless, not carrying enough petrol, or you will get stuck. Or your vehicle will be a very costly vehicle, and all other local garage people cannot handle. So you have to find somebody from far off place.
Okay.
So until then, your vehicle will be on the road.
Okay.
That means your mobility is affected.
Affected.
You
You
won't
have.
believe me. To one of my students who studied from Bangalore, he wanted to, his native place is in Tanjavur or something.
Okay.
They wanted to visit the temples. When I told, he said, yes, sir, we are planning to go for the temples. But he was advised to check on his vehicle.
Okay.
See, as an elder, I cannot tell him you'll have problems. I told
That's
him, be careful, make all preparations, and personally check everything.
he
He
didn't
took it.
check.
He took it lightly. And next day, when he came to the class, I asked him what happened. Sir, what he said is right. My driver is on leave for 3 days.
Okay. It's
Vehicle
a
is
bad.
there, but driver is not there. So they have postponed the trip.
Okay.
Right? Okay. We go to number 27.
27 is in cheeks.
Yeah, I want to stop you here. 27 is the image of your mouth.
Okay. Yes, sir.
The bottom one is your lower lip,
Uh, Top one is the upper lip.
upper lip, in
Side is
between are the teeth and the row, whatever. And when you get this, I can tell you, you are hungry.
okay.
Also, it means issues relating to your jaws,
Okay.
your teeth, dental implants.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, you will be able to see that really. Or otherwise, the person may be advised to go to a dentist for whatever is the condition. Okay.
Okay.
And you have to take care of some people whom, like, for example, you have to take care of somebody whom you have to feed.
Okay.
They are dependent on you. It can be your parents, or it can be somebody for whom you are responsible.
Responsible. Responsible.
Yeah. You are
Responsible, not
responsible for
responsibility.
feeding them. He has
Karma
to.
is,
This is the
but the karma is
opportunity.
not.
Karma, no. The karma has stopped her. That is why her business has not grown.
Okay. No, after
Now,
feeding the parents or giving them shelter, anything, This is going to change again the life, or she should suffer for few days?
It won't be tough. It will change. See, you are unburdening, you are softening the curse.
Okay.
If at all.
Softening.
Parents don't curse the children generally. But ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲ.
Yes, bad children.
Honestly. If you read in the paper, no, if you open the paper, you find there are many occasions where parents have been abandoned.
No, I'll be going for this ashrama, sir. I feel very bad whenever I see these things. It's like something, it pains a lot, we cannot express to them also. We just keep on talk to them and come back.
Yeah. So, when you get 27, it is also speaking about your hunger, your need for eating. Write the word I'm saying.
Yes, I'm writing, sir. Hunger.
Write this word. Take care of.
Take care of.
What goes into the mouth.
What goes. Yes, sir.
I have not finished.
Yeah.
Take care of.
Yes.
What comes out of the mouth.
What is this, sir? I don't know.
First one is food.
Yes.
Food, drink, water, whatever you are putting into the mouth.
Intake.
Second one is your speech.
Okay.
Don't be harsh in your communication. Don't use unpleasant or those harsh words. When not necessary, when they don't serve any purpose. Just showing the rudeness on others through our words.
Yes.
So it is something you have to pay attention to. Right?
All right, sir.
Now we go to 28. I want to tell you honestly, whatever I have communicated is born out of years of experience. Right? So if you pick some 4 or 5 books and then read, and then if you search for what I told you, chances are you may not find
it. Because morning only I was very confused, sir. When I just took to see the reference, let's see how the things are there. It was not easy to understand the things. It's easy to read, but understanding is a very tough thing.
So that is the thing. Okay, go to 28.
28 is Dago, great excess. Youngest daughter, the joyous lake metal. Eldest daughter, the gentle windwood. The red pole, sorry. The rich pole is twisted. It is favorable to proceed with process. Let an offering be made.
Okay. In this, you read in line number 3.
The rich pole is twisted, inauspicious.
It means, please write down. The building is too heavy. For the pillars.
Okay.
Then what will happen?
Collapse, sir.
That is the meaning of that.
Okay.
Again write down. There will be a change of residence when you get 28.
There will be?
Change of place, living place.
So this is your example, right, sir?
I told these words to one fellow. Wait a minute, I have not finished.
Okay.
I want to, because you have stimulated that, I want to
Okay.
give you a case study.
Okay.
One of my students who is an acupuncture doctor, he asked a question about a girl in his house who is about to be married.
Okay.
He got this number.
Huh.
Then I said, there will be a change of place. Are you planning to shift your house, buy new house, or do whatever? He said nothing. But in 3 days, when he met me again, he said, "Sir, that girl is married and gone to her husband's house."
Okay. In 3 days.